This knotted turban headband looks complicated, but really, it's very easy to make. Stay tuned! If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. Hi, welcome to Anju Risa channel. If you have watched my previous tutorial, still it's a request from my audiences. It's in Portuguese and I use Google Translate to communicate with my audiences. This knotted turban headband is almost the same as the one I made in this video. You can click here to watch my previous video. Except I used two colors for the headband and this twine fabric. Without further ado, let's get started. Prepare a stretchy fabric. Whoa, wait. Stretchy fabric again? Yes, you can use non-stretch fabric, but stretchy fabric is more comfortable. I always say this over and over. When we are making something out of fabric, the direction of fabric is very important. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 6 inches or 15 centimeters. And then the length of this fabric is head circumference plus 6 inches or 15 centimeters. So that means if my head circumference is 22 inches, the length of this fabric will be 28 inches. Right? Yes, absolutely right. And since your English is very bad, I can always rewind this video and turn on the subtitle. Right? Yep, you're right again. To determine the front side of fabric, with the edge of fabric here, stretch the fabric. Stretchy fabric will curl toward the front side. So this is the front side. Fold the fabric with the front sides together. And sew this part. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. I'll use this knit stitch to sew the headband. If you don't have these sewing patterns, use a zigzag stitch. You can see my knit stitch. This allows us to stretch the fabric without breaking the sewing thread. Now turn the fabric inside out. Prepare 2 pieces of this. I'll refer this as the front side and this one as the back side. Place the fabric with the front sides together. Tie a knot. I'll give the fabric a little twist like this. Bring all fabrics together. The arrangement of this fabric is exactly the same as the one I made in this video. You can click here to watch how I close the raw edges of the fabrics. So there are 4 layers of the fabric. Pin the first 2 layers. Pin the middle. And last one, bring this fabric to here. Place the fabric with the front sides together. Stitch these parts. After this, place the fabrics together like this stitch right at the center. Cut the excess fabric. Next, I will show the fabric twine tutorial. Prepare a long strip of fabric. The width is about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. The length of this fabric is 42 inches for baby, 52 inches for teenage, and 62 inches for adult. Wait, if I want to convert inch to centimeter, I'll just multiply the length value by 2.54. Am I right again? Yes, precisely. I'll use a pen to hold the fabric. Take the right side and twist to the right. Bring it to the front. Now take this fabric and twist to the right again. Bring it to the front. We just repeat this until the end of fabric. Pin to secure the fabric. Next, take the turban headband. Slide the twine fabric to the back here. I'll join the end of twine fabric through the loop here. Stitch this part. Last one, take the seam and stitch right at the center back here. Just a little. Our another turban headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this another turban headband tutorial, please like and share this video. If you hate this video, just hit the dislike button. Any questions? Write in the comment below. And please support this channel by subscribing and ring the bell.